How to delete items from a dictionary. Now, say you want to take out items from the dictionary, there are quite a few ways you can do it. So, suppose I have my dictionary here. With name as Jane, age as 34, city New York, and gender as female. Now I want to delete the last item. So for that I use mydictionary.pop. Pop is the method which will delete the item whose key has been specified within the brackets. So in this I've written gender. So now I've popped. Now it will tell me what the value was that I popped, and when I print my dictionary, you'll see that it is missing the last item. The next method is pop item. The pop item directly pops the last item. Pop item is a inbuilt method, and it deletes directly the last item in the dictionary. So in this we have city as the last item. So when we write pop my dictionary dot pop item, it says it's going to delete the uh, key value pair city New York. And now when I print my dictionary, you have only the name and age. The next method is using the keyword del. So del, we use the keyword del, and then we write the item that we want to delete by writing my dictionary and then the square brackets and the key of the item. And now when we print this dictionary, we'll see that the age has been deleted. And the last one is to clear the dictionary. So to clear the dictionary of all values, we use quite literally the method dot clear. So we write my dictionary dot clear, and when we print the dictionary, we'll get just empty dictionary, that is just curly braces. And now using the del keyword that I have mentioned before, we can delete the whole dictionary. So we can delete. So I write del, and then my dictionary. So with this, when I try to print my dictionary, it will say that no such object exists. No such. It is not defined. So this is how you delete items in a dictionary.